It's freezing cold. If you love him, make him a bowl of Malatang. Simple ingredients. Make whatever you want. Uncle Lazy will take you there. In theory, solid food in your refrigerator can be Malatang. It's okay, Malatang. Only this soul is indispensable. Soul spicy hot pot base. Feel free to eat the ingredients. Large chunks cut small. Lettuce tore into soup bowl. Not particular. Start the production journey of Malatang. Refuel the pot. Turn on a small fire and stir-fry the base ingredients of the hot pot until fragrant. Add chicken nuggets and stir-fry. Add sliced meat shiitake squid. Add sliced meat shiitake squid. Fry until discolored. Add water and bring to a boil. Add tofu and various hot pot balls. Cooked out of the pot. This bowl is spicy and fragrant with soup and ingredients. Piping hot, steam swirling. The hot air directly takes away the cold of winter nights. Cure homesickness. Special reminder, the seasoning of the hot pot base is already industrial grade. Online as Zip. Do not drink oil soup for health. Unfinished. Cook a handful of noodles and fish them in. Make up some carbohydrates. The night ended perfectly.